everyone, welcome back to JPD Studio. I am Jay Prakash. Today I am in this video we will dive into the exciting topic Next.js. Whether you are beginner or already familiar with the React, this video going to help to take your skills in next level. By end this video you will clear the understanding what is Next, why should we use Next, common uses, how to set in this the folder structure, key difference between page and app. Let's get started. And indexes, what is next, why we next, use case, setups, folder structure, key differences, and conclusion. First we go for what is next. Next is a React framework that enables services rendering, static site generator, and full stack capability while enhancing performance, HCO, and scalability. It built on the top of the React similar web development by providing built-in feature like app route, file-based routing, automatic image optimization, and more. What key features of Next.js? File-based routing, no need to React router down installation. Page are created based on file structure. Uh, Pre-rendering, static site generator page at built-in time in better performance. Server-side rendering, generator page dynamic on each request. App routing, app allow you to create a backend API using Next. Image optimization of lazy loading, automation code splitting, only load necessary JavaScript for current page, SEO friendly, improving page performance and metadata handling, middleware, and full stack capability. Then why we use React? Next is perform web applications due to following reasons: SEO, performance, better development experience, full stack capability, automatic static optimization. SEO means improving searching engine ranking in rendering context of the server. Automation, code splitting, static generator, image optimization, that's why performance, hot reloading, built-in routing, app routes, TypeScript supporting, developing make easy. These some points to use React. Next, sorry, not React, Next. Use cases of Next.js: e-commerce sites, Amazon like SEO optimization, making websites and blogs, SaaS, dynamic content server sending, rendering from better performance, portfolio websites, dashboard and admin panel. These things for use cases. Setup. Suppose first thing, to start a Next.js you need install your system. First run the following commands: npm create next app, latest app of my app. These things created on a terminal in Windows, in Mac or Terminator you can use this. In there or other thing, by using create next app, yard, also ppm you can use there. Okay, now on my next app is a project folder name. This is using promote the few question asking you need TypeScript, animation, Tailwind CSS, source and directory, example app and directory. You will say yes and no according your navigation. Project starts up like cd my next app, and next command you write npm run div to start Next.js developed in server at localhost 3000. Next folder, like we have next folder at two approach: page folder and app folder. Okay, now he app routing is a newly introduced in Next 13.3. Page directory means page, traditional Next routing using file based routing and using get static props get server side props from the data fetching. These are example like the page about. Here default export default function about this. This is one example. Here see, in my next app, page indexes about app document API hello blog ID public style component next configuration package JSON. Here page all page component home page localhost about localhost these things custom app component custom HTML page structure app route app endpoints dynamic routes static assets global CSS reusable UI component next configuration dependency these things. In app directory, see, in app directory, introduce in Next 13 plus more flexible and modern approach using React server components by defaultly layout, loading, UI and server, replacing get static props, get static apps with fetch instruct components. Okay, I will show this here. In app layout, page about and about page, blog ID and page API routes component public style these. Here using new app router layout component home page folder based routing about about page nested route dynamic route fetch directly host API routes new API handling reusable using component static assets global stylings nest configuration dependency scripts. These are some points. I will here example you can see here. See default export default function in home welcome next dot route dynamic routes app blog id dot page layout page dot layout. This is showing the in page dot layout. Main key difference between page and app. Here file based routing folder based routing rendering using get static props get server side props directly inside the component. Here page API hello app API routes layout no built-in support handling manually automatically have client side heavy server component by default. Pay attention two way to open the CMD command. Go here right here CMD. Okay, then it's open. Okay, here go in a search in a Google next.org. Here you copy this command. See, copy this command, search in Google, copy this command and paste here. Then he will start. See, you can see easily. I will open in a big screen now so you can see here. It's time taking process. Wait for these things. Now started. In folder you can hear nothing is there na. He will start. See, sorry. Need to install a package? Yes. Name of this probe my Next.js project. Yes. yes, Tailwind yes, SRC yes, app router yes, turbo yes, no. You can see here React DOM next. All these things will be started. Check here, see. These things will be installed SRC folder. These are page layout, global. These things also installed parallelly. In public folder, these things also installed. How many? It's time taking process little bit. Parallelly, I show that these things npx. This is also same. No wrong thing. Here they ask would be the name. No yes, which will be you according to your needed. In manually you type React and React DOM. This packet will be like this. To script dev build the next build start these things. Here it is a documentation of the Next.js. You can check it here. See, this things code will be there in a layout app.layout tsx page.tsx. See, these things are the in a script. Now is till now pending is there. tsx runs, no problem. Next, come to the built-in that TypeScript supports. TypeScript is to your project, rename as tsx and ts and tsx run next div. Okay. Next is automatically install necessary DAO dependency and tofu JSONs. Here I show that these things. Till now not run. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. You can check here in VS. This is maybe VS Code. VS Code you can see which type of versions, setups, run linen, start basics. You can go through this next.org. All data will be showing. This is installation part. Project structure. I already explained. See, top level folders in SRC. These I already explained. Till now not completely. These things routing, JSX, TSX, all page layout, page loading, UI, not UI. These things already present. Folder under for nested routing, dynamic routings. These are some questions I will explain you. Parallelly and interchanging routings. See here, node modules. All node modules will be. See, all the node modules will become. Okay. You can see here these files will be there. SRC file, app files. These are already installed. Next, backend next also there. Finally, he say run. Then it's easy to. These are installation page and layout, which type of how to layout will be work by this slash layouts. These type of the code look and feel will be same like a React. Child React native node, imagination font, CSS, how to apply CSS, module, global, tailwind, SaaS, CSS in JS external style sheets now successfully done. Okay, open in VS Code. First time it's time taking process, fetching data, fetching this thing, fetching with fetch API, yeah, and other uploading, error handling, all things will be there. Yes, you can see page.tsx. Okay, I run this thing. What command I will say? npm run div. First time it's time taking process. How to start? Get start. Installation. After installation, see here what command should we use to run next div install a development. Run div, run a development server, visit in localhost 3000. First we see these things. npm run div, check. Okay, run the command. See here, all things will be displayed. Visiting localhost. Starting time it's time taken, otherwise he is not time taking. .9 see package.json name versions built-in React 15.2.4 versions is dependencies is there. Log dot, see the name, this is the version, see this is your, you can see, go to this. Now this is working. However, I will change one thing. In this this will be depend and write a one div h1 welco, welcome to Next.js class. Okay, now see, welcome to Next.js class. This is logo, you can check here. Okay, conclusion means if using the Next 12 and earlier, page will default structure. If you're using Next Plus API recommendation approach, better performance and maintainability. New projects is API APIs and direct take advantage of server-side components and app routings. You can use these things. Do you have any doubt? Comment in chat box.